mo be bia akwa baba attention TV message say and any day di kan ya wo dia be pie attention TV afofoforo ya ni die mu a mesre wa hwe bia na wa subscribe abai channel no so na wa sign so I like ya maye one will say 7 December ya ye koto aba eyo mampani Ghana for ye nyina de ye kokromoti ekoyi eye nipa ye pe na so mampani a ye pese obedi ye so e wo Ghana na ye nne 7 January enne so na ye de Ora John Dramani Mahama esi ekonwa so finally achese wo ba be hwe Ghana emai se ne aye bia no wo betutu ntutu ahwe ye nyina so se ye ho beto ye se ye kombedru ye onna wo ba betutu ne emanyina na ye Captain Smart anape wonu TV wa soja dindindin de egu asofo so Ghana ha sei ye nim se asofo no bia wo ne party a wo do na so bebre na eyi omanim se wo mo de wo mo ye NPP for asofo wo mo na dima NPP asofo wo mo na si eye Ghana mampani NPP asofo ni bi wo Ghana ha sei a wo mo de wo yi omanim ebi kra wo empanidie wo mo eye katwedre ye bi ye secretary wo mo nyina ye asofo poku nyina mo nyina eka ho a wo me NDC for na ye Captain Smart says wo hwe eye prophecy ahodo a efi eye NPP asofo ho bai na in fact na no de na sa prophecy we nyina no ambem no na chese sebe Captain Smart says asofo ni nyina wo hu se wo mo nyina wo mo nim fom wo mo ye ntontrowa se wotie Captain kasem kro pa chese anka meni wo mo memese kranka ye bepe baabi afa because asofo bi say no wo mo fu entina wo mo de nam na wo hwa Captain Smart osisia eye na na ekufuado ni din baako eye na na Nebukadneza na chese sika ode mama asofo enti ne omo hu ye ne nyame nyi nkyere omo kakra omo bedintina omo de abetre fidie so ekeka we mu ya asofo a hwi eni omo mu a chese wote omo na ase ahwe a wa hwere wo nkwa eye enti Captain Emra.
Ghana is damaged and the renovation is going to be extremely expensive. We all have to come together. Some may say this, others may say that. But I ask and therefore employ that we should allow the God of the land to lead us. Abedin, but let me stand here and tell you today, whatever there is to be done will be done. And on my Ghana, which na so. Bia na we suffer, we shen come phone and come tro because na Nebukadneza ma usikadi. Eti na we shen kwase ankom. Ebuabo by the achel. I'm telling you today, ye the achel. About we na mami hu asofo a wonim fom. Omunim baby a. Omunim fom. Ha, what's the assassin? Osoro, nyame dia. Assassin ye 90 aso. And a yes, 90 assassin, 90 osoro. To say we nim from a fi assassin ko. Mami who sa so for the bebre. Eshen kwase enkom efri se. Onim from. Ye de achamo. Ye de wo mu ne say ye your on mine. Ye your political party. Eti ene but say meburi bi akọ Dr. Baumia fie so mo man kwan eni kwan so by inauguration obeba Nanado obeba J Kufo obeba. I am telling you there are more than 15 presidents and vice presidents in Ghana. There are about 4 speakers of parliament across Africa and 24 envoys. He
is smart.
Awoba for a
Captain Smart
inauguration. The 9th Parliament of the Republic of Ghana was inaugurated, and the members of Parliament were sworn into office. And again, this regime has propelled people to come with their own history, which will also be written in the history books of this country. Number 1 is Alban Bagbin, the Speaker of the 9th Parliament. Oyendi Sini, Oye Speaker, NPP amemum ensida. Number 2, Atwaso, abeye speaker ewo eye ono ani party eti ono pani nipa ba ko a why speaker wo NPP why speaker ewo NDC titro eno so eto ono so pani speaker o ware wo ne yere busuom o ware yi a de oba ba ko to no so ewo ne yere busuom e sheda so abaya ansem e de man se ke wo wa ware ye ba yi ji we ka ho ye to no so ba ko.
He is smart. He is unique.
Ye to no so one. Sa abakwasem we yemu.
He is smart.
Ena enam so a. Eye honorable Siama. Na minimini pa. No ye jwa okemi. Okemi engineer. Mene na na kobasa. Obedi MP. MP before dinani. Teniye ono ane party ebon buga because Siama ye kufuo boy. Tinana na do peso tu free akonwa so. It's what we are bia obi oye certain member of parliament okwa filing nomination omo ka kire ni say ke wo why late the amana file okwa independent and on win here and obey second deputy speaker if so independent candidate and what you know and so ya did this akonwa so say osan so ye second deputy speaker biom sa ninth fourth republic mu wo de no to nchen a voter raging akache yenye obi awo to be a speaker before, but for the very first time there's somebody coming from voter raging catch South to be precise obey first deputy speaker. What do you know? Eto ncheya. We enye say ye ko parliament ne ya swear in and akwa animu kakra and ya changes in leadership. The very first time Oba bin so making history. They won before swearing in and swearing in. No yet deputy leader of the house. Hey mame Patricia Apieje KK Sapon yere autosumienu. KK is upon his second wife, any Patricia PD.
Aha. What
also, we're making history. What do you know? Eton Chaya. When Emrea Etosum Yenua Ama Aya Afenyo marking, and also I'm making history. Back in 2001 and 2005. Now, are a minority leader or the Mirkafi Hobai, a majority leader in 2009. A firemark in Susufri, majority leader. The Kromabu Sumnedinachi, as I say, and also, we're making history or a minority leader. Repeat it, Neho. Saudi, I know, Eton Chenya. This is the very first time, Chief Justice, Only Speaker of Parliament, Achemanso, no me no ascension, no Chief Justice, no also a speaker in. Necessary speaker, no orgy assembly, so no, or just so they war Chief Justice Nipin. And now we had the way and a bag bin, oh, yeah, no, na, Kandimechi, na or kana, na or kawo, Chief Justice Nankasa, asa agro, na papa de a war Chief Justice.
Sorry, you lost the elections. And
don't forget that this is the second time in Swa.
Captain Smart is why no whole prophet journalist bina what see FDS so some more cannot say a modupa a quaint to a number soon.